guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. A company sent me some hair, so I'm going to do a look for you guys. I've never done this on anyone else, so this is the first time me doing it ever. So hopefully it does turn out great. If it doesn't, I'll just cry and take it out, but I have faith. The company is called, is it Neseo? Can you even see that? Neseo, I don't know if that's how you say it, but they sent me their soft locks, their new locks, it's called new locks, and they gave me the 6-pack deal, and in each packet there are 20 strands, so it looks like this. So there's 20 of them, and it's 24 inches. But because I'm extra, I got an additional 4 packets to add length to it. So in total it's going to be 48 inches, but I'm not going to have the whole 48 inches, I don't think, no way. That's like past my knees, that's like to my calf, and I'm not trying to do that. So I'll probably cut it down to about 40 inches max, or maybe down to 38 or something. I'll just see when it's all done, I'll see how long it's looking. So yeah, this is what they look like, and they're crochet. So the loop is obviously here, and I got this in the colour, I think this is the colour 1B. It might be it's colour 1B. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair. I'm gonna braid my natural hair. You'll see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna braid all of this, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, so I went ahead and plaited my hair. I look so funny, giving you Raven Baxter's mom's kind of vibes. So this is what it looks like at the back. They're super long. Okay, let me show you how long they are. Look. And I'm 5'9", and they come down to my calves. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably cut it till about here. So that's probably like a good 10 inches off maybe, because they're super long. But yeah, let me show you how I actually did it. Let me just break it apart. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot to say it came with a crochet needle, which is already, oh yeah, I forgot to say it came with a crochet needle, which is good. Or what I'm going to do is just open up the loop like so, and then let me just tuck this in here, and then open a latch, put it through the braid, and put the loop on the hook, and then close it, and then just pull it through, and that's it. Keep the loop open and pull the hair through, and it should look like this. So simple. Can you see? This is my braid right here, and for me, the reason why it's so long is because, where's the hair? I attached it. Okay, I put the crochet needle right through like that, and then I just get the end of, my hands are really dry, the ends of my crochet, the one that's attached to my hair, and I just pull through. Ta-da! And then it's gonna look like that, and what I'm gonna do is just knot it. Just knot it and make sure it's really tight. So it then should look like this. And then get my scissors and then snip it off. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do another one. Let me just take this one. So the needle in. Oh yeah, with the braids, I plaited to like here and then I twisted the rest just to save a bit more time. So put it in, close it. Oh, and then do that. Okay, that's done. Get another one. Put my needle through the hook. And then put it through there. Close it and then push it through. Well, pull it through, I should say. Tie a knot. And then snip it off. Like so. Ta-da! So now let me show you how to wrap. And the hair I'm using to wrap is, you can use water wave hair. Oops. Water wave hair, but I'm using this brand because I normally use Cherish, Freetress or Impression, but the shop didn't have it, so I'm just using this one. I've used this before for passion twist and it's alright, it's decent. But I'm using the baby bulk. If you can see, I'm gonna open it like this and open it like that. Get my crochet needle. So I've got the hair and the crochet hair. Put it through. Put it forward. And then leave about like this much at the front. And then just wrap around like so. So at the beginning I wrap a bit tight and then I start to loosen up to give that very distressed look. And you don't want to do it too close together like it's the normal faux locks. You just want to separate it a bit like this. Let me spread it out a bit. And for that butterfly effect, you just take a chunk out. If you've got nails, it helps a lot. Take a chunk out like that and then keep going, so it gives you that effect, that loop. So keep going, just do all of that. And when I get to the end, I just wrap back up like this. And then rub it together because the heat and the friction actually keeps it together. And I do another one here at this knot with my scissors, and I just cut this in half because I don't want the bottom ones to be too long. I just want to cover this knot. So just do the same thing again, open it up. So I have already pre-looped or pre-extended some of them, not all of them, so these are the extended ones. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Can you see? I ended up using 7 packets. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of them, but I might do this again, who knows. But it actually turned out okay, alright. I haven't even done my edges yet, but because the hair is so loud, it kind of distracts you from the fact that my edges are not done. But I kind of tucked everything in anyway. So yeah, these are 48 inches. And I'm gonna go ahead and try and style them for you. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Bye. So guys, the sound kind of went out for this video, but I forgot to include this in. So basically I ended up cutting it a little bit, and here's me trying to jump in and show you, but I cut it up to about 36 to 38 inches, which is a bit more sensible. But now, sorry about my dirty top. So I started to sell bonnets, hair bonnets. So I've got this long one right here, which is suitable for my kind of hair. As I said before, my hair is about 36 to 38 inches, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I also sell shorter ones, suitable for like wig cane rows and natural hair, and even shorter braids. It's reversible and adjustable, but this can't fit into the hair that I have right now. So I'll just show you how I put mine on as I'm getting ready for bed. I'll put the link in the description box below, and they're also available to ship worldwide. But once again, thanks for watching. Bye.